Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to part 18 of how to build a bedroom. So yesterday I made the doorway, I prepared the doorway. So the first thing we will do today is grind off the excess, then make a connection to the wall here with acrylic, also up on the ceiling, and then we will paint it white. Next step will be to grind off the harder concrete parts here and then smoothen the whole surface a little bit, and also to start plastering the gaps between the drywall. And when the paint has a little bit dried, then we will put in the frame for the door, close the door so that the most dust stays in this room and doesn't enter to the other place. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's get to it. So that's it for now, and I'm going to get the door frame now to install it, and then we can close the door to keep all the dirt and dust here and the noise in this room. See you later. So then we can install the socket back here. Or let's say the socket switch combination. on. Works. First we check if the height is correct. Fits in. That's good. Just to be on the safe side, try the other side as well. Does not fit here. So this one we have to shorten. I hope the up fits, because if that doesn't fit, then I'll have bigger work to do. Enough space and gap fits. So I go past upstairs and cut it down. So let's see if it fits in now. Oh, still quite tight. So now I can cut the step on the floor. Good. Let me go and cut that. So I cut out the step. So this part is inside this room. This one is in the corridor. Yeah, now we have the necessary gap up. This side of the door frame. Let's see if the other one fits as well. Yeah, fits just as well. So, now to connect it, I'll simply push it together. Then this in and these clips. managed to break the corner up here, but I leave it for now because I have to close this today to get this hole closed, to get the door in, and then I can start with the rest of the room. Fuck. Yeah, let me get the construction foam, because that is how you fit it in. Construction foam here at the back, here, fill it out, fit it in, and good. Good, that's done as well, so this can dry a little bit. And I make a little break. In the meanwhile, see you guys later. So I decided I will not wait and keep walking. After all, there's only one weekend and I want to finish this walk sooner or later. So I start plastering the drywall panels. The way of mixing is the same like yesterday, just that this one is a little bit of different material. It's the smooth material so that we can get a really soft and flat surface. So we can just paint over it without any extra work. let's see how that goes. First, I will use the spatula. So first I will use the spatula to spread it a little bit, and then I use my hand to make the pattern. Let's see if that works. I've not tried it before, there's a first time for everything. So far I'm done for today with this wall. The plaster has to dry up, and I don't want to mix a new batch just for the down. That I will do next time when I do the other wall. That might still be today, but right now I'm not actually motivated anymore. The only thing I will still do now is this. I still want to see if I can fit the door now. I can definitely hang it, but I assume that it will stop here. Then I can as well cut the gap under for the finished floor, and then we can close the door so that the dirt actually stays in this room. So, yes, let me show you. The door is on the floor, and we still have a gap at the hinge. So that is about 3 millimeter gap. The floor at the end is 8 millimeters plus 4 millimeters. Then let's give it 2 millimeters gap. Is 12, 15 plus the 3 here, 18. I will go and cut 16 millimeters off and then bring the door back and we see if it closes well. Join me. So, here is a piece of solid wood under. So it's actually easy to cut it from here. Let me bring you a little bit closer in. So that was not the complete depth, so I'll make it deeper now. So let's go downstairs and check if it fits. So, looks good so far. Seems like it closes well. The only thing I have to do now is use an Allen key to set the hinge at the back. see. Closes well. So the gap down is a little bit too small, but that's okay. At least it closes now, and then I can adjust it again or cut it more when the actual floor is in. So guys, thank you for joining in today. You've seen what we did today. We grinded here around and painted. We put the light switch back in. We mounted the door frame. We plastered this wall already, so this one just needs painting. Then the other two walls are missing, but we already filled the gap. I think I will do exactly the same design on the other two walls like I did on this. It takes effort to spread by hand, but I don't have to be as precise as if I grind the whole wall smooth. So I think I will do that. I will try to remove the window frame first. It's easier so I don't get plaster on the window frame. And yeah, then left is to grind the ceiling. As you can see here, it's not grinded completely yet, and paint it. And then at the end, the floor will be not less than a half-day walk. I will do the same thing like I did in the gaming room, so that is not going to be an issue. But the walls and the ceilings and the ceiling have to be done. Actually, yeah, ceilings, because there's a step 1, 2, have to be done first, and then the floor. So I will not finish this weekend as I actually planned to, or let's say what I was hoping for, but at least I'm seeing an end to it. Thank you for joining in. Hope you come back for more, and I hope you liked the episode today. Hope you like the design of the wall. It's the first time that I ever tried it, and I like it. Let's see how it looks after we paint it. Take care of you guys and come back for more. Bye bye.